Okay, dito na tayo. 6 realizations working abroad. Para sa may mga relatives sa abroad. O may balak magtrabaho sa abroad, no? O kasalukuyang nasa abroad. Number 1, 6 lang naman po ito. Una, pag nagtrabaho ka sa abroad, you cannot go home anytime you want. Hindi ka pwedeng umuwi na gusto mo. Hindi, no? Doon ka. Akala ng iba, ayaw mo lang umuwi kasi nag-i-enjoy ka na sa ibang bansa. Pero, madami dapat i-consider, hindi lang ang pamasahe. Kung pwede nga lang every 6 months umuwi or more, di ba? Lagi kang umuwi. Number 1 yan. Number 2, it is tiring and exhausting but you need to keep going. Okay? Pero kapag kausap sila, dapat masigla ka o masaya. They can tell their problem but sometimes you cannot tell your own problem kasi ayaw mo sila mag-alala. Keep going is no longer an option. O obligasyon na yun. Okay? Number 3, trust few people. Pag nasa abroad ka, trust few people. Huwag naman yun, trust no one. Mahirap din naman yun. Actually, real friends, real people are heaven-sent angels in different images. Pero it is hard to give your trust to strangers. Sabi nga ng ibang OFW, lalong-lalo na mga Pilipino, kapwa Pilipino. Hindi ko alam, ha? Sabi nga nila, kahit kabayan pa, but when you meet the real ones, treasure them. People come and go, but the real ones stay. Pang-apat, pag nasa abroad ka nagtatrabaho, nandyan na yung homesickness, nandyan na yung overthinking. Yan ang nangyayari. It frequently happens. Paano sila? Yun ang iniisip mo eh. Nandun ka, nagsasakripisyo ka, iniisip mo pa rin, paano sila? Paano siya? Pero hindi mo minsan matanong, paano naman ako? Di ba? Some souls cry and suffer silently and it is hard to overcome overnight. Grabe pinagdadaanan nila. Too many things are rumbling in your mind. Existential crisis, chasing dreams, getting older, and your family situation. Okay, number 4 yan. Number 5. Eto, matindi to. Being alone most of the time pag nasa abroad ka. Mag-isa ka lang. There are times na wala kang support system. Kundi sarili mo lang. Magkasakit ka, ikaw lang. You are afraid to get sick. Takot kang magkasakit. You are afraid to fall. Ayaw mong mag-fail. You are afraid to break into pieces. Ang dami mong kinatatakutan. Even though it is hard, always hold yourself together and take care of yourself pag nasa abroad ka. Ito na. Number 6. Mga realizations ito ng nagtatrabaho sa abroad. Number 6, last but not the least. Prayer will always be your unspoken messages. Ito na, whether you are religious or not. Okay? Hindi naman kailangan maging religyoso. We always want to speak what's on our minds. Our cries. Yung mga iyak natin sa loob. Our rants and our plans. Now, the only safe place to send our messages is through prayer. Diba? Hahanapin ang maraming rason para o patuloy na lumaban pag nasa abroad ka. So, para po sa akin, para sa ating mga kababayang OFWs, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayo.